Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have the GQ box. That's right, it's a men's box. Do you know about the GQ box? It is a quarterly box for men and it comes each season, and this is going to be their fall box. And this is a little sneaky peek, and then we have our product card on top there. And this box runs $54.95 if you do an annual membership, and you are billed $216 all at once, but it brings the box price down to $54. And you can cancel anytime, and of course you got to finish out your subscription, but you've already paid for it, but after that you can cancel. And if you do an annual membership right now, you get 2 free gifts. You get a BredaVirgil watch that's worth $150, and you get a PX LANDON backpack that's an $85 value, and that's if you do annual billing. If you do a quarterly pay per box, it's $59 each quarter, cancel anytime, and you get 1 free gift, and it is the BredaVirgil watch, $150 value. So it's really cool, and it's a great box. So let's pop in here and see what I got, because this is a men's box and I want to see if my husband's gonna like any of these items, or my sons or my grandsons. And this is our product card, and it tells us everything we're gonna have in here, and it looks like we're gonna have some interesting things. And then we've got a couple of postcards in here. They're always sending us information to save on underwear. If this is somebody's favorite, there's a coupon for you. And then they have the Allure, and I guess it says give the best gift, an Allure beauty box gift subscription, and it says it's perfect for birthdays, holidays, and corporate gifts. And then they've got a little QR code on there for that. And then of course the perfect gift to them for you to send is a GQ box. So they have the gifts. So they make a great birthday box, holiday or corporate or gift of any kind. And then of course there's their QR code. So there's all of our advertisements. Oh, wait a minute, we have another advertisement. We have America's #1 ready-to-eat meal. Looking to eat fresh? The season Factor always delivers. So this is a new one, Factor, $4.99 a meal, and then you use that code right there. So there's just all kinds of these things coming out. But now let's get to our goodies. Okay, the first item I'm seeing on here is a Studio S3 speaker. And guys, this is heavy for a little speaker. So it's an S3, and let's read a little bit about it. Studio's gently rounded portable speaker looks more like a piece of art than a powerhouse of audio innovation. It is a discreet size that masks a bold sound. The S3 boosts up to 6 to 7 hours of playtime, is water resistant, and can be connected to another S3 to amplify your music. Most importantly, it's built to go wherever you do. Just plug in, charge it up, and let your good times roll. And it has a retail value of $79. And mind you, I got an annual, and when I got my annual, it was $50 a quarter. So they've gone up just a little bit. But let's take a look at this Studio, it says. I was calling it Studio. It's Studio. Oh, look at that. And then you can carry it along with you, and of course you can power it up, and it's going to have its power cord right here inside that little package there. And I'm going to leave it all sealed up because I may want to give this for a gift to one of my boys or to my husband, whoever I think might could use a Studio speaker. But it's got your volume and your takedown on the volume, and it's very nice. And like I said, it's a good weighted size. It's not chinksy. This is a very nice speaker. All right, well, that was item number 1. Let's see what our next item is. Our next item is some Hawthorne work cologne. So they've got it bagged up really well, and it is Hawthorne. I've already popped off the lid by accident. I'm going to spray some of it, see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells good. Very nice. All right, well, I can tell you it smells good. Okay, let's see what it says. True to their name, Hawthorne's work colognes smell just as great at your regular 9 to 5 as they do wherever you are headed off to. So to help upgrade your fragrance rotation, we've surprised you with a full-size bottle of one of the brand's perennial crowd pleasers. Each unique fragrance is identified by the description on the back label of your bottle, and each promises to conjure autumn's distinct bouquet with every spritz. And on the back side of mine, it says your fragrance was created by Rodrigo Flores Rocks, perfumer at Givaudan. It is a citrus and woody scent. And I would say that's true. And this would be good just to spray in the room. It does smell good, guys. I wonder if my husband will like that. Oh, that smells very good. I even like it on me. Oh, and did I tell you that's a $50 value and it's 50 ml. Our next item is an Able Skin Anti-Aging Retexturing and Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. And this is one thing that my husband won't use, but I know I probably would, and maybe even one of you. Does it have to be for men? I think I've seen this for women, and I think this brand is a very good brand. It's Able Skincare London. And it says, time waits for no man except perhaps the well-nourished one, in the form of anti-aging cream infused with a powerful 1-2 punch of retexturizing and resurfacing ingredient. In layman's terms, it helps vanish those fine lines that you've been ogling with dread. And it's about as effective a response as we found. Anyways, it's a great one that they found, they said. And this has a price, oh my gosh, $104 for 50 ml. Is this 50 ml? Oh my gosh, this is 50 ml. $104. Gee whiz, that sounds like magic. I may have to try that. Wow, $104. I don't know, that's what it says. Okay guys, the next item is a product that I'm very familiar with, and it's Aveda. Aveda is a great product, and I'll probably use some of this myself. We've got 2 products in here. The first one is the Advanced Thickening Foam. This is Aveda's thickening foam. Will juice your mane with a welcome dose of volume and leave behind nothing but a subtle scent of lavender in its wake. Evenly distribute a few drops and then blow dry in style. Ooh, that's a hair conditioner. Thickening foam. Wow, well, I just might want to use that. Like I said, I love Aveda products. They're really good. I'm going to pump out a little bit. See what it smells good. It smells like Aveda products. They have some really good products. Their scents are so nice. They use a lot of botanicals, and that's why they're such a good product. And they're also owned by Estee Lauder. Did y'all know that? Well, they are. The Estee Lauder company owns Aveda. And this here is a $14 value for 50 ml. That's what it says. Okay, guys, the next product we have is one of my favorite shampoos from Aveda, and that is the Aveda Rosemary Mint. This stuff smells wonderful. But anyways, guys, we dig Aveda so much we couldn't resist doubling down on them. This brand's lightly scented shampoo is one of the best we've tried, thanks in part to what's not in it. No phthalates, silicone, paraben, or any other ingredients that makes hair care buffs balk. It's gentle enough to use every day, but we'd still recommend lathering up only once or twice a week. And that's because this is kind of like a purifying, shampoo. Plus, it's not good to wash your hair every day. It really isn't. Okay, guys, that has an $11 value for this small bottle. And it says $11 for 50 ml. And then the next item we have is a First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. And I just got a First Aid Beauty cleanser in my FabFitFun. First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. This is First Aid Beauty. It's cruelty-free. It's safe for sensitive skin, dermatology tested, with no artificial fragrances, a no-frills cream that soothes and calms your skin. And this is a $12 value for 2 ounces, it says. So very well. I know First Aid Beauty is a very good product. And then our last product in here is our Bag Balm Skin Moisturizer Mini 10. And I'm not quite sure what this means. It says it's a skin moisturizer. It's an original, and it is Bag Balm Cult Loved Heavy Duty Skin Moisturizer. Is made only with 5 ingredients, and it is your go-to for something soothing distressed skin from head to toe. It leans on petroleum to lock in the moisture, lanolin to soften, and comes in the perfect size. Just stash in your tote when your chapped lips need a little touch-up. So this must be like a little balm, like what I always tell you I use Carmax. So this might be something similar to that, since they mentioned your lips, because it's a heavy balm. And you could probably put it on maybe cracked elbows or something like that, or even your feet perhaps, but for your lips. So that, guys, for this 1 little ounce is $6.89. And that is my GQ box this month. What do you think? I think it was loaded with a lot of things I can use. I mean, everything in here I could use. Even this cologne. Guys, this smells really good. Oh, yeah, that smells really good. Like I said, I could use that. Oh, I think that smells wonderful. Okay, as a recap, we got this wonderful hawthorn in the citrus and woody scent. We got our studio speaker. We got our Bag Balm. We got our Aveda Rosemary Mint Shampoo. We got the Aveda Embody Advance for your hair to thicken it. And we got the First Aid Face Cleanser. And we got this $104 Able Skincare London. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's it. What's your favorite item? My favorite item is going to be this cologne and the Aveda products. And this, and this, and this, and this. I like it all. Okay, I liked it all. That's all I have for the GQ box. If you're interested in this, I will have information down in my description. I've already told you what the current offers are, and when you go onto their site, you're sure to find out that that's the deal right now. Now, if you see this video later, the deals could change, but that's what's free for now when you subscribe quarterly and or annually to the GQ box. So guys, let me know your favorite. That's all I have for the GQ box. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. I do have my TEMU party time that's going to be ending soon. I also have my first of my series of my 2K celebration giveaway, and that video is out, and you can join up to win a great prize in that one too. And you need to always check my videos for any surprise giveaways that could be landed in them somewhere. But as for today and the GQ box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.